Unbox and set up an iOS devices for HP Envy 6000, 6000E, 6400E, HP Envy Pro 6400, and HP DeskJet Plus 6000, 6400 printer series. Before you begin, you must have a wireless network with internet access, an iPhone or iPad connected to the network in which you want to install the printer, and Bluetooth enabled in iOS. Open the box and then remove the documents, the power cord, and the cartridges. Set the box on its side and, using the handles, slide out the printer. Remove the foam end caps and then remove the printer from the bag. Remove all blue tape from around the printer, including the pieces that lead inside the printer. Remove the foam sheet from the scanner bed. Plug in the printer using the supplied power cord. The printer turns on automatically. A chime plays and the lighting switches to purple. With your iPhone or iPad, scan the QR code on the Get Started card or go to 123.hp.com to download HP Smart. Select Install HP Smart. Follow the prompts to install HP Smart and then open the app. On the welcome screen, select Continue to agree to the terms of use. If prompted, select Allow to receive notifications from HP Smart and then choose whether or not you want to send data to HP by selecting either Yes or No. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your iOS device or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. To do this, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the rear of the printer for 5 seconds. When the printer network settings are reset, the front edge lighting will pulse and change to the color purple. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your device. HP Smart will display 3 options. This video will show how to set up a new printer. Select Set up a new printer. A pop-up screen will display asking to use Bluetooth to help with setup. Select OK. Another pop-up screen asking to find and connect to devices on your network will display. Select OK. HP Smart will search for your printer. When it finds the printer, it will show on the screen. Select the printer. HP Smart will ask for the Wi-Fi password to access the wireless network you are currently connected to. Enter the password and select Continue. HP Smart begins the process connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, you will need to confirm your proximity to the printer. When prompted, touch the flashing information button on the printer control panel. HP Smart will confirm when it finishes connecting the printer to the wireless network. Select Continue. In order to deliver printing and cloud services, data is collected from your printer to sync your HP Smart app and HP account. Select Continue. Your HP Plus printer comes with an optional Instant Ink trial. Select Continue. For your printer to operate after activating HP Plus, you must be signed in to your HP account, be connected to the internet, and only use HP Original Ink. Select Activate HP Plus. An HP account sign-up page displays. Fill out the information and select Create Account to create a new HP account. If you already have an existing HP account, select Sign In. On the next page, enter your email and password and select Sign In. HP Smart will register your HP Plus printer with your HP account. Select Continue. You can choose to accept or skip the HP Plus offer, but this video will continue with accepting the offer. Select Continue to sign up for an Instant Ink plan. Choose your preferred plan, then provide a shipping address and billing details. Your HP Plus subscription is now complete. Select Continue. When prompted to load paper, a blinking light appears on the paper tray indicating where to slide it out. If possible, use 2 hands to slide out the tray and then move the paper guides to their outermost positions. Load paper into the tray, adjust the guides, and then close the tray. Return to the app and tap Continue. When prompted to install ink, a blinking light appears on the corner of the printer indicating where to lift the ink cartridge access door. Lift the access door. Remove both cartridges from their packages, and on each cartridge, pull the orange tab to remove the protective tape, making sure to avoid touching the contacts and ink nozzles. Lift the black lid. Insert the black cartridge, and then close the lid. Repeat this process for the tricolor cartridge, and then close the access door. Return to the app and tap Continue. For best print quality, tap Continue to print an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page print side down on the scanner glass where indicated, and then close the scanner lid. Touch the blinking copy button on the printer to complete the alignment process. When the alignment completes, tap Continue in the app. To print from other devices, you can visit 123.hp.com from your mobile device or other computers. Select Skip this step for now. Your HP printer setup is now complete. You can now print pages. Select Skip Printing Page for now. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show your printer in a ready status. You are now ready to start printing.